Hello there, Sonic fans! And today's video review is the Sonic the Hedgehog Christmas figures that I have so far. The first one we have is Sonic the Hedgehog. There he is. He's got nice Santa hat and a coat on too. Looks very well detailed, and yeah. And on the back, that's got Sonic, Shadow, Amy, Knuckles, Tails, and Dr. Eggman. Next we have is Tails. He's got nice antlers on. He also got a festive sweater on. Very cool. Next is Knuckles. He also have a Santa on too. Very well painted, very well done for this figure. And the next one is the main antagonist, Dr. Eggman. He also got a Santa suit on too. That's got red coat and green gloves. Very cool. Next is Shadow. Shadow the Hedgehog. Nice picture of modern Sonic and the logo. The colors and Sonic right there is a little bit different. One's got the classic Sonic on it, while this one's got the modern Sonic. Very cool thing about this Shadow figure, where he's got a lot of glitter on him. That's one very cool thing. And then the last one we have is Amy. She's got nice beautiful red dress and red shoes. This will be perfect. So yeah, so that's the Jakks Pacific Christmas themed Sonic the Hedgehog characters. And I'm planning to use one of them as a Christmas decorations, and I'm going to keep them mint in the package, so that way, so they don't get broken or smashed. I might keep them protected as well. So anyways, Sonic fans, what do you think about these figures that I got for Christmas last year? It looks very well created. So yeah. So anyways, thank you for the support, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future, and give a big thumbs up, and I'll see what I can do for the next one. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you all real soon.